In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a snapshot in Adobe Acrobat Reader. A snapshot is a quick way to copy a selected area of a PDF like a chart, a paragraph, or an image so you can paste it into an email, a document, or a presentation without exporting the entire page. It's simple, fast, and built right into Acrobat Reader. Start by opening the PDF document you want to work with in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Make sure the content you want to capture is visible on your screen. If you need a cleaner result, take a moment to position the page so the area you care about is centered and easy to see. Next, the path to the snapshot tool depends on which version of Acrobat Reader you are using. In the newer version, look to the top left corner of the window and click the hamburger menu, the icon with 3 horizontal lines. In the older version, go to the top of the toolbar and click the Edit menu instead. Either way, we're heading to the same option, just through slightly different doors, depending on your interface. Now, navigate to more options by hovering over Undo, Redo, and More. When you hover there, a submenu will open up with additional tools. From that list, click Take a Snapshot. This switches your cursor to the snapshot selection mode and gets you ready to capture exactly what you need. To capture your snapshot, click and drag to draw a rectangle around the area you want to copy. Think of it like framing a photo. Start at one corner, hold down your mouse, and pull to the opposite corner until everything you want is inside the box. When you release the mouse button, Acrobat will automatically copy that selection to your clipboard. You may see a quick confirmation on screen, which just means your snapshot is ready to use. If you want a crisp result, make sure you were zoomed in enough before drawing the rectangle so the details are clear when pasted elsewhere. The snapshot captures what you see on screen within that selection. So a clean view leads to a clean copy. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.